welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I got my custom clothes. So first you want to just go to Google and type in a pink background. So you can choose whatever kind of background you like. So this is the background that I chose, and then I'm going to go to the App Store and download PicsArt. So that's what it looks like, and then I'm just going to open up the app. And then cancel out the ad, and then I'm just going to add the photo. So now after here, this is very simple. So you just want to hit the text, type whatever you want it to say. That's pretty much it. So I'm just going to show you how I added a few things and how I changed a couple things up. Nothing major. So this stuff is really optional, but I like to be a little bit fancy, so I like to change things around. But you could just type in whatever you want to say, add a photo, and call it a day. So yeah, now I'm just going to add a sticker, and all you have to do is type in whatever you want to add, like lips or a heart or a crown. You can even add a regular photo from your library. There's a lot of different things that you can do. So yeah, I think I just added some lips and I called it a day. So yeah, you can add a mask, you can add a couple of filters, add some lights. There's a lot of things you can do. You can also add a border if you like. This is really optional. I think I like that one. I don't know why I froze on that one, because I was like, wow, this is really pretty. But then I like this one too, so I was like, oh man. Even though this is only for demonstration purposes, I was like, let me go ahead and save this, because I actually like the way this looks. And then I went back and I did the other design, and I saved it. I think I saved like 3 or 4 of these. So yeah, that one I liked too, that I had to save. And then I'm gonna go to the App Store and download AliExpress. Guys, if you haven't noticed, I got me a new phone. That's why my screen recordings look a little bit different. I got an iPhone XR because my iPhone 6S wouldn't charge, so I just got a new phone. So anyway, after that, you want to go and type in custom clothes or whatever, and then you can choose a seller that you want to order from, but I'm going to show you the one that I ordered from. So yeah, this is where I got my shirt from. So yeah, you just want to scroll down and then hit contact seller. But I'm just showing you some prices for a shirt and the different sizes, and then you can hit the shipping to see how long it will take to come. And you can choose which shipping method you like the best. And it tells you the date that they will arrive. And just hit contact seller and then just send them a photo. Now this is where I got my shorts from. Yes, this does say men's shorts. I'm just now realizing that. Like, I didn't even know that. I'm telling you guys, I'm just really bad at reading directions. But anyway, you want to hit shipping, and then it'll show you shipping method and stuff like that. And scroll down and hit contact seller. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe button. So today, I'm going to show you how I got my DIY custom clothes. Now, as you can see right off the bat, these are not the same pinks. It's very clear. This is two different pinks. That's why I will never wear this outfit together. That was my mistake. But I ordered from two different sellers. That's why the pinks are off, I guess. But if you don't want this to happen, maybe just order like a white or black. It should be the exact same color. Otherwise, there might be a color difference. But anyway, so this is the first thing that I ordered from AliExpress. This shirt cost me like $12. It's very cheap. And again, when you order from AliExpress, you want to order like 3 sizes up. 3 or 4 sizes up, because everything is Asian size. So, for example, I would normally get like an extra large, but I ordered a 5X because their clothes were extremely small. So, as you can see, this is a 5X. But, yeah, you definitely want to order a couple sizes up. So, this is a silk shirt. When I first ordered that, I had no idea, guys. I am terrible at reading directions. I really am. But, yeah, this is a silk shirt. And as you can see, this shirt really does not look like a 5X. It looks like an extra large. Like, does that look like a 5X to you? It really does not. It looks like an extra large. Maybe a 2X. But it's really not that big. Again, I'm sorry if this video is kind of shaky. I do not have my tripod on me right now. But yeah, so that's the shirt. Otherwise, it's really good quality. Nothing's blurry, everything's nice and clear. And I just have my my website right there at the bottom, but you can't really see that. The back is just very plain, as you can see. Just a plain shirt on the back. But yeah, this is a silk shirt, so if you don't like silk, then do not order this. Try to find somewhere that doesn't have a silk shirt. But again, super affordable, only $12. You can't beat that. Shipping, I think, was free. I think it was free. I don't know. I have to check back on that. But yeah, that is the shirt. Moving on to the shorts. The shorts are... Okay, looking at these shorts, right? What size do you think these shorts are? Like, do they look like an extra large, or what? What do you guys think? But, these shorts are actually, let's see. What is that? A 5X. Again, you want to order 3 to 4 sizes up. Because I would normally get just a regular extra large, but China, their clothes were extremely small. Everything is Asian size. So you definitely want to order a couple sizes up. So if you wear large here, you want to order at least a 2X there. Maybe even a 3. But yeah, so as you can see, they messed up right here. I don't know what this is. It is supposed to be Best Glitter Lip Gloss, but I don't know what all that is. But yeah, and then I got the top to say Marisa Cosmetics. And again, this is the front, and these are scrunchy, so they do stretch. You can always tie this up or whatever. I have nothing on the back. The back is just clear. It is plain pink. So again, it's just the front that's decorated. So yeah, this Marisa Cosmetics. And these shorts are very thin, guys. Not thick at all. Just right, very thin, very flimsy. I don't know what this is. This is another ink that's on here, I guess. I don't know what this is. This isn't even coming off. But yeah. And these shorts do have pockets. Let's see, the pockets are not that deep. And they're white, so it's very easy to get dirty. But yeah, it's pretty much these shorts. I'm not going to try this on. Well, in this video, but I did try it on the first time when I first got it, and it was a perfect fit. And I would normally get an extra large, that's my size, but then again, you want to order a couple sizes up. So for me, I pretty much just do the biggest size, because you can always tie it up or it always shrink. So versus it being too small, then you know, it's kind of like, oh well, you know. Again, these are two different pinks. To avoid the two different colors, I would just get a black or a white, so you know it's gonna match. You know, because if you get a color, they might mess it up. So yeah, again, this is from two different sellers. This is not the same seller. I will leave the links to which one I got the shirt from and then the one I got the shorts from. These shorts, I think, cost $10. Something like that. Yeah, it's really not high at all. Shipping, I don't remember right now. I'll leave it in the description though, or just ask me, and I'll look it up. But yeah, again, this took these shorts took forever, actually. They took like a month because they took a whole week, well, maybe like 10 days to actually print it. And then it took another 2 to 3 weeks to even get here. So yeah, these shorts are going to take a really long time. If you don't want this on the front, I guess you can tell them to put it on the back. You have to ask them. I have no idea, but I just went with the front. And then again, the shirts only took 1 day to ship, 1 to 2 days to ship, and then it took 2 weeks to come. So yeah, I really like my shirt. Again, I did not know it was silk. Again, remember, this is a silk shirt. But I really dig it though. I probably won't wear this together again because again, it's not the same color. First, this is regular shorts and then this is silk, so it really would not look right together. So I would definitely wear this separate. But yeah, again, don't forget to order a couple sizes up because it's not gonna match if you don't. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it looks kind of ridiculous now because it's not neat, but you get the point. But yeah, you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment down in the comment section if you want me to get something custom, like a hoodie maybe. Guys, you want me to get like a hoodie and I do a review on how I like my hoodie or not? I don't really wear hoodies like that because once you wear a hoodie at school and get in the classroom, it's super hot because the heater's on, and then I have to take it off, and I ain't going through it. So if I wear a hoodie, it's going to be on a weekend, of course. But, yeah, so you want me to get like a custom hoodie or a custom phone case or just anything that's custom that I could, you know, pimp out or whatever. Just leave a comment in the comment section and I'll order something, and then when it comes I do a review on it and then tell you guys how to get it, what the price is, how long it's going to take, all that. Again, do not ask me a question unless you check the description first, because the answer is always in the description. So yeah, guys, hope you like this video. Hit that like button and I'll see you in the next video.